Breakdown. Breakdown.
To stop working machine.
My car broke down on the highway. The washing machine broke down yesterday.
Bring up. Bring up.
To mention or introduce a topic.
She brought up an interesting question during the meeting. Don't bring up his past, it upsets him.
Call off. Call off.
To cancel.
They called off the match due to rain. The manager decided to call off the meeting.
Come across. Come across.
To find by chance.
I came across an old photo album in the attic. She came across a new recipe online.
Find out. Find out.
To discover or learn.
Did you find out what time the movie starts? I need to find out where he lives.
Get along. Get along.
To have a good relationship.
I get along well with my coworkers. Do you and your sister get along?
Get over. Get over.
To recover from.
She got over her cold quickly. It took him months to get over the breakup.
Give up. Give up.
To stop trying or surrender.
Don't give up on your dreams. He gave up smoking last year.
Go on. Go on.
To continue.
The show must go on despite the challenges. Please go on with your story.
Look after. Look after.
To take care of.
Can you look after my dog while I'm away? She looks after her younger siblings.
Look forward to. Look forward to.
To anticipate with pleasure.
I'm looking forward to the weekend. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Put off. Put off.
To postpone.
They put off the meeting until next week. Don't put off your homework until the last minute.
Run into. Run into.
To meet by chance.
He ran into an old friend at the airport. I ran into my old teacher at the mall.
Set up. Set up.
To arrange or start something.
They set up a new company last year. Can you set up the meeting for Monday?
Show up. Show up.
To appear or arrive.
He didn't show up for the appointment. We were waiting for hours, but she never showed up.
Take off. take off,
To remove or to ascend plane.
The plane took off on time. He took off this jacket because it was hot.
turn down, turn down,
To refuse or decline.
She turned down the job offer. He turned down the invitation to the party.
turn up, turn up,
To appear or increase.
He turned up late to the meeting. Can you turn up the volume?
work out, work out,
To exercise or find a solution.
I work out at the gym every morning. We need to work out a solution to this problem.
wake up, wake up,
To stop sleeping.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. She woke up when the alarm rang.
Don't forget to subscribe. Watch more vocabulary videos.